It's Pinay wife and Canadian husband again here. Today I am gonna show you a recipe about an egg white muffin. Wait, oh gosh, egg white muffin. My goodness, freezer friendly egg white muffin freezer friendly recipe. Oh, finally I got it right. Yeah. By the way, I was a little bit stressed today. When I woke up, there's so many dishes. But it's kind of my fault too. I didn't really want to wash dishes today. I'm so tired. And then I forgot that it was my decision. So I was like, so much dishes, and the dishwasher is full, the sink is full, and I got a little bit stressed. And that is not good because stress is a big part if you want to lose weight. It's important to relax because stress can increase cortisol, which is a steroid hormone that can keep us chubby. Yeah, anyway, it's our day 16. Lean here on a mission to help my husband lose weight. This is our third week, and we changed the pairing of food, the pairing timing, because the body will get smarter. If you keep going on the same way of eating, you will notice that after a while, you will stop losing weight because the metabolism will become wiser on that, and eventually it slows you down. So I'm going to talk about it later. What did I do on our breakfast? And I will explain a little bit about it. And by the way, it's very important to relax. Anything that you can do to relax to avoid the increase of the cortisol. So I did mine. After that, I give time to myself. I put on some clay. So I give to my husband. This is how I relax. I open the window and had a fresh air. Yeah, anything you can do to help your body to relax, do it. Yeah, give time to yourself, love yourself. Red, oh, where's the red? There. Oh gosh. Oh, those needles there. I'm pulling out. I've not been using it regularly, but look. And anyway, I finally lost the 4 pounds that I gained during this quarantine, and I'm happy. I'm eating lots. Okay, see you later. And by the way, I put some makeup too. Yeah, I want to look at myself a little bit presentable on this video. Well, it makes me happy, relax, so why not? I also want to add that sometimes your scale doesn't really go down. Don't get stressed with that. We have to remember that losing weight is a journey. Like sometimes it doesn't go down, but you don't know that maybe it's only the muscle is building. So don't get stressed with that. You don't want the cortisol to be increased, and that doesn't help. Just be patient with your body, love your body, and maybe you can play around with your food, change a little bit, but yeah, don't get stressed with that. Yeah, journey. It's a journey. It's like a baby steps. Yeah. So let's start. And then sprinkle some pepper, black pepper. I use black pepper in here, and then you can also put some salt, depends on how much taste you want it to be. I did not put on ours because I'm gonna put I'm gonna sprinkle. Third week. As you notice, there is starch there or power carbs, the purple yam or potato. We change it. We used to last 2 weeks ago. We did not eat any carbs in the morning, but this time it has changed. As I've said earlier, it has carbs and all 6 muffin. That was one recipe, egg white muffin. This is all the recipe that has it, so one person can eat this. It's really filling. It has all the vitamin,
So that was
the
our recipe
vegetables,
for the egg white muffin, freezer friendly. And thank you for watching. Pinay wife, Canadian husband, in here, still on a mission on our third week.
choice because meat is usually the red meat is